Did you know the father of tragic drama died in the most ridiculous way possible? Aeschylus was ancient Greece's most famous playwright, the guy who literally invented tragedy as we know it. He wrote dozens of plays about heroes meeting dark, ironic deaths. But here's the twist. His own death was more absurd than anything he ever wrote. An eagle flying overhead spotted his shiny bald head and thought it was a rock. So naturally, it dropped a tortoise right onto his skull to crack it open for lunch. The impact killed him instantly. Some say an oracle had even warned him to watch out for falling objects from the sky, so he spent his last day outside to avoid roof tiles. Instead, he got taken out by aerial wildlife. The man who mastered dramatic irony became the ultimate victim of it. Eagles really do drop prey from great heights to break shells, and apparently a bald head makes the perfect target. His death story became as legendary as his plays, proving that sometimes reality is stranger than any tragedy you could write.